To upload your first document, select the blue cloud-like button which says Upload Files. Here you can use the blue rectangle to click on and find the document that you'd like to upload. In this case, we'll upload the TBT Heat document. Once the file is loaded in the Uploading File sections, click the blue Upload button. For every document that you want to control the upload settings, you must select the locked private symbol. As you'll notice now, we have a pre-approval setup. Here the user is told to pick the reviewers. You can see it says 1 minimum and 1 minimum approver. By clicking on the box, the appropriate users who are authorized will come up. Here the user can select. Once the minimum number has been reached for both options, the green Done button will appear. Clicking this will enable the document to be uploaded, ready for pre-approval setup. All documents that are loaded into a pre-approval area will have a version 0 until set up and approved. To start the approval process, simply select the Pre-Approval Setup Status button as shown. This will bring up the Document Settings box. Determine your settings for your document or use a convention set if required. You'll notice that there is also a Revision Start button. Now this allows you to select the first revision that will be issued. So for example, if you already have a document which is at version 4, you can click version 4 and this will allow it to be issued at version 4 once approved. If your document is starting at version 1, you'll need to click this likewise. If you keep the document at version 0, even after approval, the document will remain at version 0. So for this demo, what we're going to do is select version 1. Now we're also going to add a convention set. So if we select the convention set area, we're going to click on our standard documents convention set. And this will bring up our naming convention. Here we'll pick from our drop list, we'll scroll past our auto-generated number, and we'll give our document a title. For this one, we'll call it the Pre-Approval Document Test. You'll notice that the naming convention is populated underneath. When you're happy, click the blue Done button. The controlled and uncontrolled settings you can see are not usable because this is a convention set. And underneath, we can then set up our review settings and our revision settings. But for this demo, we'll toggle those off and toggle the revision on. When we're happy, simply select Save. That will now move the document into the editing process. So because we're not the user, there are no options to continue forward. All we can do is click the See Review Status button, and this will tell us whether Sally has completed her review. Coming out of the document, if we go back to our doc library, our doc area, and our pre-approval setup area, you'll notice that the document is now version 0, but the status is in review until it is reviewed and approved as required.